Hey, Andrew. I am your guardian angel of YouTube careers. Yeah, that's it. I am the Fernie angel of YouTube. I don't know. I don't know. I'm sorry. Andrew, it's Fern. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. And may all your dreams and wishes come true. If I had some pixie dust, I would sprinkle it right there so that all your dreams could come true. Have a great day. Stay out of trouble. Mwah. I can't see